Hello everyone, today we are at my grandmom's kitchen and I want to show you the oyster nut. This is the oyster nuts known as Kweme, which grows on the slope of the mountain Kilimanjaro. It's pure organic and it's very good for the vegetarian, vegan, has high protein, which can sustain and be good for the health of any human being. Our grandfather and grandmom, they used these oyster nuts as oil before the industrial oiling, and they also they used to do other snacks. You know, Western they have snacks. You know, different kind of snacks, but Chagga, this is our snacks. So it's oily, it's a snacks, and if we want to eat right now, it's very hard to crack, and I'll show you for the next video. But today I'm going to show you the easiest way to open and eat it as a snack. So we put in the kitchen, as you can see, we put it in the kitchen, and we'll get the reaction from it very soon. So we can put few and we can cover them with fire. That's the best way to open the oyster nut or kweme. So they will pop up. When they pop up, then we take it out. They are ready to eat. So as I explained you earlier, that we open these nuts inside. We get the nuts, and then we can crack it, or we can pound it and put in the pan as a oil. So for the Chagga people, mostly they use it as oil before the industrial oil. You hear the pop-up, so one nut is ready. The second pop-up, maybe we'll hear the third pop-up again, which means it's ready to eat. And here I will show you the pop-up nuts. So this is how we used to do, enjoying our snacks. I put a few more again. So once we are in the kitchen, and once we were in the kitchen with my grandmother, so when she gave us a story and she's cooking, then she put the snacks for us and feed us. So this is how she used to do. It's a little bit hot. So you can see it's brownish, you know, and it's ready to eat. It's full of organic oil. Check out our link, www.Permaculture Foundation Tanzania, and also you can visit us on Facebook as well, Permaculture Foundation TZ. We are here for everyone. Have a great day and peaceful.